Title: Maya, Jarvis and Goldie's Sunny Summer Adventure Scene 1. Morning packing time. Happy ukulele music in the background. Narrator voiceover. It's a bright sunny morning. Maya and Jarvis are packing for their summer vacation. And guess who's joining them? Their fluffy friend, Goldie the cat. Maya, Goldie, don't forget your sunglasses. Jarvis, laughing. And your beach hat. We're going to have so much fun. Scene 2. At the beach, fun begins. Waves crashing. Seagulls calling. Narrator. They arrive at a beautiful beach. The sun is shining, and the waves are calling. Maya, let's build the biggest sand castle ever. Jarvis, Goldie can be the lifeguard. Goldie meows proudly and sits near a tiny red flag. Scene 3. Picnic time. Soft breeze. Picnic blankets spread out. Narrator. After lots of splashing and playing, it's time for a beach picnic. Maya, fresh fruit, juice, and cookies. Jarvis, don't forget Goldie's fish treats. Goldie purrs happily and eats gently. Scene 4. Sunset moment. Orange sky, peaceful music. Narrator. As the sun sets, the three friends sit quietly, watching the sky change colors. Maya, this was the best summer day ever. Jarvis, we should do this every year. Goldie yawns and curls up on the towel. Narrator. And with hearts full of joy and sand between their toes, Maya, Jarvis, and Goldie say goodbye to the beach. Until next time. Ending text on screen. Friendship, sunshine, memories.